You may be asking yourself, is it too late to buy a home? Let's talk about it. 2021 was definitely a banner year for home prices just going crazy, skyrocketing due to low interest rates, a strong demand, very low supply of homes, right? All these things coupled together made it really difficult to get a home. Now, one of the most challenging questions, I think, for any first-time home buyer, no matter what the market looks like, is, are you late to the party? Is it still a good time to purchase? And talking about the future of housing, experts do expect a demand to increase for the next several years as more millennials turn to age, right? Once you're 30 to 35-ish, you don't really care what the market is. You just want to buy your first home. So that is predicted to be a trend that continues as far as a demographic in America and housing and people buying homes. So for that reason alone, we do anticipate a very strong housing market. And at the same time, inventory is expected to remain tight. At the same time, builders are struggling to deliver homes with labor shortages, increased costs of everything from lumber to chip shortages, as well as supply chain disruptions. And like any market, strong demand and tight supply is very supportive of home prices. The good news, I would say, for home buyers when you're looking to buy is we do expect to see tapering, first of all, because these interest rates are so low due to the pandemic and due to the lockdown specifically of 2020. They, pumped all this money into mortgage-backed securities to keep the economy going, and it did work. Look what it's done for the housing market. But now we have inflationary pressure like crazy, right? With skyrocketing gas and meat and all these things you hear about. Plus, they're going to be tapering rates. They need to raise rates in order to combat inflation. So that right there, when rates go up, prices will come down organically. It just kind of works that way. So if you are looking to purchase a home, we're going to have a very active market still. That's good for you. You've got to live somewhere. Best long-term investment you can own, right? The market is a bit challenging, especially if you're here in the Bay Area. California, it always is a little bit more challenging. That doesn't mean it's impossible. Work with someone you can trust and someone who is going to look out for you, that knows what they're doing, like Garrick Wordmuller, Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. And thank you for liking, subscribing, and all those things. Appreciate you. Have a great day.